Yo, real talk, it's been like 2 weeks since I've been in my old girl. Oh, how I love the smell of that diesel and how it stains all my clothes because the exhaust leaks pretty good. I love this truck. What's going on, world? It's your man Pat Seasallauto LLC, mobile mechanic and roadside services. And I am super happy to be back in my truck right now. It wasn't down. It wasn't down because of maintenance, which I probably need to take care of. But it was down. Sorry, I'm multitasking here. It was down because I haven't been getting calls like that. So when my truck is slow, I jump back to the wrenches. And well, today we got a call, which is great, uncosted it, but it's for a jump card. That's cool because I know how to make money with it, and I love to be in my old girl. We gonna go out here and make some money. Yeah, we're gonna get into it right after the intro. Tell y'all something, man. There's something about making things happen. I went and actually did my first live today, so I don't know when this is actually gonna appear, but if it's gonna be, you know, damn near probably this time next year. We're in December right now, but I'm so backed up on footage. Because what I try to tell people is that when you're making content, what you don't get is if you keep your camera with you, you keep your battery good, and you keep your SD card empty, you're not making no content, and that's great, but you always got the opportunity to. So I just keep the camera with me, and I try to upload every chance I get to get all the footage off of it that would be hindering me from recording. There's so many things that I've missed out recording on, man, because the camera died, I had it too full. And let me see where we at right now. I gotta see where we at. I think I got like 50% battery. So you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking, because that's one of the reasons why. And I've had multiple batteries, because I know somebody's gonna be like, well, Pat, why don't you just go get a multiple like batteries? Did that, and when you're not using them continuously, they end up dying. Plus, it is very hard trying to record and change angles when you're editing. It's a lot of extra work, and I'm just like, I ain't got there yet. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start recording. We're gonna go ahead and hit to this car and go pick this thing up and slide it on back. Picking this thing up. There we go. All right. What's up? Yes, sir. Have a good one. Thank you again. I didn't expect it to go that easy. That's nice. It don't always happen that way. Let's see where we hook this thing up. think we're good to go. Locked and loaded, baby. Thank y'all for tuning in. I'm gonna go ahead and kill it from here and get into it, man. Get into that bag. Y'all do the same. Thank y'all for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Check out the Truth Be Sold podcast, where we're stitching together fact and truth to bring common sense, commonplace, with your special host, yours truly. Thank y'all for tuning in, man. Catch y'all on the other side. Peace.